think it's finally time to do the review on the 360 Wave Process brush. Let's get it.
I'm gonna be an astronaut.
Alright, you guys, so you know what? I told y'all I was gonna be coming out, and I know it took me a long time to come out with this video. But you know what? Now the video is here. You know, I know I made y'all wait a long time for this video, and it's you know, it's here though. It's here. You're watching it right now. How you like it? But you know what? It is time for the review of the 360 Wave Process brush. And you know what? It's also what y'all been waiting for, because I'm gonna be giving one away to you guys for free. Actually, y'all don't need to pay nothing. Shit. All y'all do is enter the giveaway, and either you gonna win one of these or you gonna enter one of the Torino brushes. You know, they're both great quality brushes, but I've been using this one for a while. I've been using it for a while, and I really like it. So, you know what? And I've also tried a Torino Brush Pro. You know, I don't know. I just like the quality of those brushes. So, this is the giveaway for you guys can choose whether you guys want a Torino Pro brush or 360 Wave Process brush. You know, and you know what? And the giveaway is going to be started. I'll put out the rules, alright? I'll put out the rules at the end of the video, so then y'all can enter the giveaway. But the reason why I love this brush, I'm gonna tell y'all why I love this brush. Number one, it's right here. Number one, especially for you guys beginners, it has these 3 lines going across, and these 3 lines mean it tells you where to brush, and it goes like in the direction of, you know, of your wave pattern. It actually makes it a lot easier, so you're making sure that you're following the direction of the pattern. If you don't follow the direction of your pattern, that's how you end up with folds in your hair and different things like that. Things that we don't want. So that's what I really like about this brush. Another thing that I really like about this brush is the packaging. When you get it, it really feels, you already know it's gonna be high quality because it comes wrapped. You know, of course I unwrapped it, but it comes wrapped up. And it comes in this beautiful box, alright? It's all just like nice sitting there. You pull it out, it's all right there, you know what I mean? And that's what I like. You know, another thing that I like is, you know, 360 Wave Process, man, he's, you know, you gotta bring quality, alright? Like how I'm trying to bring quality to these videos, one step at a time. You know, it's just the quality of, you know, how you present yourself, you know? And that's another thing I like about the product. Another thing that I like is that the curve to this brush, you know, a curve is the reason why I like this brush, is because, you know, when you have a curve on your brush, I don't think I've ever told you guys this, when you have a curve on your brush, it gives you like the full, like, every stroke that you take with your brush, it is getting the full, like, the brush is getting everything on your head. It's like, because the reason is, hold on, let me show you something. First brush I started out with, like the Conair little brushes, you know, and it's not a curve, it's just flat. And the reason why is because, look, it's not touching my head here. So I'm not getting the full, you know, every stroke is, you know what I mean. But with this one, when you do it, it's touching almost everything on your head, and you're getting that's what I love about curved brushes. And this brush is more of a medium hard brush. I thought it was a medium soft, but it's a medium hard brush, alright? What that means is that it's not like in the middle, it's more leaning to a hard brush, but it's not like too hard, you know, it's still in the medium category. I must be confusing as hell right now. But you know what? Just think of it as a medium brush. It's just a little bit harder than your normal medium brush. That's all it is. It's not too hard for your head, alright? And I just really like, you know, the feel of how it is in your hand. You know, I don't know, I just like the feel of how it is. You know, it just feels really good in your hand, and it's it's just, you know, it's just a good product, you know. Shout out to 360 Wave Process, man, for coming out with this dope product, man. This is a good quality brush, and like I said, you guys can enter to win either a Torino Pro brush or you guys the very own 360 Wave Process brush. You know, if y'all want a 360 Wave Process, if you win, let me know, alright? Because I'm gonna be telling y'all who won in the video, you know, in another video, I'm gonna tell y'all who won. And if y'all actually want it, then you guys will actually have to hit me up in the DMs on my Instagram saying, you know, I won, your confirmation, all that good stuff, alright? But now it is giveaway time. You know what? I am starting a giveaway. And you know what? Like I said, the rules will be in the description. The description and at the end of the video, alright? So stay tuned, watch the end of the video. And you know what? The end of the video is now. What am I talking about? It's the end of the video right now. You know, like, comment, subscribe, you know. Please subscribe. If you enjoy my content, all you got, just for me, please hit that subscribe button. You know, it just tells me that you guys are enjoying the things that I'm putting out there, and I can continue to do that. Also, you know, drop a comment. I also love reading your comments. You know, if it's questions, I always try to get back to you guys as soon as possible. So, you already know what time it is. It's 360 Woods, and I'm out. Yeah! Before this video, you know, comes to a complete close, and I told you I was going to be doing a giveaway. So how you enter the giveaway, there's going to be two ways to enter my giveaway, alright? You can either go on Twitter and follow me on Twitter, and hey, you know what, I have a big 0 on Twitter because I'm just starting my Twitter account, so I know, you know, I can tell now who's in it, who hasn't, but all you have to do is follow me on Twitter. Or, you know what, like I said, this is a giving back to my subscribers giveaway, because, you know, it's supposed to be like a 100, you know, celebration giveaway, whatever, for reaching 100. You know what, it kind of turned in more like a 300 subscriber giveaway, but I'm just giving back to my subscribers, and thanks for, you know, getting me there, and for the views and different things like that. So, you know, it's more like a me giving back to you guys. So of course, all you have to do is subscribe, and you can also enter the giveaway or already be subscribed. Doesn't matter. But the giveaway will start exactly at 12 o'clock on January 1st. So it's starting off the new year strong, you know, and I'm glad that, you know, I can give y'all a nice brush just to start, you know, the new year off right with your waves, you know what I'm saying? But you know what, I just had to come in. The link will also be in the description below just in case, you know, whatever. But once you enter the giveaway, it should give you a confirmation email saying, you know, that you entered, here's the way, different things like that, alright? Just, you know, just to confirm that you entered the giveaway. And that's it, you know. So, I hope best of luck to whoever wins, and that's it. I'm out.